Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So apologies I've not been around for the last 4 or 6 weeks. It's been Christmas, birthdays, holidays and lots more. Now whilst I took that time off from working online, what I did was, because I do get a little bit bored, I was looking into a number of ways how I can earn money by doing nothing. Because look, this is the dream, isn't it? We want to do nothing and earn money so we can go and drink cocktails on beaches, or drive fast cars, or whatever we want to do. And a lot of the time, these things seem like scams. They seem not real. But what I'm going to share with you today is I'm going to share 3 different projects which I have invested in myself, and I'll show you how they work and how much I've actually earned with them. Because like all things I like to share on this channel, I'm trialing these things, I'm testing them, and I always like to do a little bit of research before I go ahead and part with cash. Now, as most things we look at whereby I say, I'm investing in this or I'm investing in that, it's always the same concept. I put in money that I am prepared to risk. Once I get that initial money back, I'll withdraw that and then it becomes risk free. Okay, and look, if you want more ways to make money online, just simply go over to my blog. You can come up here to make money. We have got earning online, side hustles, earning from home. I've got an interview series over here and lots more. But let's jump over into the first project that we're looking at today. So the first one is this one over here, and it's called crypto cars. Now there's a number of different ways you can earn with this, and if you keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, I'll show you how you can earn money from it sounds insane, how you can earn money from racing virtual cars. You absolutely can do, but this isn't passive. We have to do some work, and when I say work, you need to go in every day and click a couple of buttons down here. But I'll record a full video after this one and I'll walk you through this, because at this moment in time, you see up here where it says refuel, I can't do anything with these wonderful cars here for another 2 hours. So keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, because it's quite interesting. Because you see these cars down here, if I click on rewards, you'll see here how much this car up here is earning in this crypto token every single day. So this up here is going back to the 4th of January. You can see I earned 23.5 car. If I come further on the page, 26, 27.5, 21, 22, and we've got 30 down here. And at this moment in time, at the current price and everything, the ROI on this is about 30 days. So it's pretty good. So it's a one-time fee. You come in, you race these cars every single day, and you click a few buttons, which is this one here, quick race, and you can earn money, and you can withdraw that as well. But look, I'll show you that tomorrow. I want to share with you the passive income today. So if we come over here to staking, we then scroll down and we've got these pools. Now remember, this is crypto. Things which are normally logical just go completely out the window when it comes to crypto. So we'll come down here, we've got these pools, which basically means you can go ahead and stake your money, and it shows you here for how long and how much you can expect to earn back. So over on this C car lovers over here, you can see the APR is 100%. 100%. The minimum amount of in tokens that you can invest into this here is 50. And basically, you give them 50 tokens for a minimum of 10 days, and for doing so, you can get 100% APR. Crazy, isn't it? But as you're going to see throughout this video, the APR on some platforms can go a hell of a lot higher. I'm talking like 6,000%. And again, we'll come on to that. So this is the first one, 100%. We've got this one here, which is 120%. We've got this one here, which is 130. And finally, we've got 150% APR. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see the status of each of these different pools. So if this one over here, look, minimum staking is 100 tokens, and it says they can only have 1 million in each one. So like at this moment in time, if I wanted to stake, I give them my crypto for 10 days, I couldn't do, because it would take it over the threshold on this one here. Now, same with this one down here. So at this moment in time, it's nearly full. But if I scroll down the page here, you can see my stakes. So the first one was on the 3rd of January, and it will be released, given back to me on the 13th of January, and that was 100 C-Car token, which is the token inside of this website here and inside of, the whole ecosystem. And then I've also invested over here 70 C-Car inside of here. Okay, and again, I get that back on the 18th of January. So staking, this isn't something new to crypto. You can do this on many platforms. You can do this on like the big exchanges like Binance. You can do it on the apps like crypto.com and many more. But it's basically whereby you're giving somebody, your money, essentially. They will hold that money for a number of days, and for doing so, you can earn, as we can see up here, a pretty decent return. So this is over on crypto cars, and as I mentioned, keep an eye out for tomorrow's video, because the racing the cars on here as well, you can earn some pretty decent returns. So this is website number 1. It's called Crypto Cars. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. You can go ahead and check it out. The next one I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and it's called Olympus DAO. Now, same concept. If we come down here, you can see, look at this. Current APY, 4,246%. Now, this percent here actually goes down the more people who join. When I first heard about Olympus and, put some money into it, the APR was 7,000%. 7,000 is just silly, isn't it? And if we come down here, you can read more about this, how it works, the treasury and the token. But let me log into here so you can see this. So let me click on Enter App. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back office of the website, basically. Now, if you scroll down here, you've got all of these, all of these graphs and wonderful things. But what we want to be focusing on is over on the left-hand side where it says stake. Now, I've not been in here for a while. But if we come down here, you can see the current APY is it's just ridiculous, 4,153.3%. And then if I scroll further down the page here, you can see, current staking balance. So at this moment in time, I have 1.655 staked on here. It shows you how much the next reward is going to be, which is this over here, next reward yield. And then the ROI, the 5-day rate, is currently this percent down here. So if I click this drop down box here, you can see all of this. Now, I started this with, from memory, I think it was one and that was middle of December, I believe, from memory. So as you can see on here, this is how much I've currently got staked on the platform, which is 1.65, and these are the returns. And it is just as simple as you go onto a platform, you get the token, you come over to the website, you connect your wallet, and then you stake that money over on the platform. And then once you want to withdraw your money, you just click on unstake, and you can literally start unstaking this. So at this moment in time, we can come down to here, and you can see, lots more information. They've also got different farming pools on here, and you can have, I don't know too much about these because last time I logged in, this wasn't on here. But like most of these passive incomes that I'm doing, I tend to put the money in, forget about it, and then I go back to it once I can, withdraw my initial. And then basically it's it's risk free from there. So this is excuse me, it's called Olympus DAO. If you go down here on the website, they've got links to Discord, Twitter, Medium, and what the heck is that one? I don't know what that one is. I can't see it behind mine because I've got the pause button. But there is another logo there. If you click on the Discord button, it takes you over here. And in sorry, excuse me. And in here there's a welcome chat on here. There's start here, there's a welcome video. So this video here shows you all about Olympus DAO, how it works, how you can get your money back, and lots more. So it's a pretty cool project. So once this gets to 2, I'm going to withdraw my initial, leave 1 in there, and then again it becomes risk free. The last one I'm going to share with you is a new one on me, which is, sorry, let me close this one and close this one. And this one is called Fast BNB. And like similar what we looked at on crypto cars and also on Olympus, they have different things that you can do on here. If you scroll down here, let me just come to the bottom and I'll show you this here. So again, they have different opportunities. They've got this one here, which is called hen farming. This pays 1.25% daily. This can last forever apparently. We've got cow farming, which is 2.5% daily, which is for 150 days, and then we have got ox farming, which is 3% daily, and this is for 90 days. Now I literally, before the video, I went ahead, I signed up to this, and I literally just deposited a little bit. So let me show you what this looks like inside. So if you scroll down here, this is what it looks like. You connect this to MetaMask, which is straightforward, and then once you've done that, you come down here and you can decide, which one of these you want to stake. So at this moment in time, as you can see on here, down here, I've deposited 0.4 BNB, and I deposited this just before this video, and already you can see on here, available withdrawal balance. I've already earned some money from this, literally just by staking 0.4. So 0.4 BNB is roughly about $200. So again, what am I going to do over here? Once this gets to 0.8 BNB, I'm going to withdraw the 0.4 that I've put in the beginning, and then it becomes risk-free. And look, this is just a couple of platforms where I've gone ahead and, deposited some money into to, test them out, trial them, and see. There's hundreds more of these platforms whereby you can earn money for staking crypto. Another one you can look at it's called crypto.com. Again, I do staking over on this platform. Come up here, look, we've got products, and then we scroll down here where we've got, look, earn. So if I click on here, oh, it's gone. Let me go back to products. Let me go to earn. And then we scroll down here, look, you can earn interest on 35 plus different tokens. Scroll further on the page here, it will show you how much you can, expect to earn from these. It doesn't tell you. Let me go back up here, let's have a look. Metal cards, 8%. The short version of this answer is you can earn anywhere from 3% up to 11% inside of this app over here. This is crypto.com, but as I've mentioned, there's hundreds of these that you can go ahead and check out and invest a little bit of money, and it can pay you dividends each day. The three that we've discussed today, out of all of them, which one do I think has the potential to earn the most money? At this moment in time, this one looks pretty good, this Fast BNB, and also crypto cars. Well, they all look good, to be honest with you. This one, I like the fact that, already within less than an hour, I've already got some money available inside of my balance. So you can see here, I can withdraw this instantly, and then that will be inside of my MetaMask wallet, and then I can just, either keep that or sell that. So yeah, that is today's video. There's links to everything down below if you want to go ahead and check them out yourself. And as I've mentioned, what I'll do is tomorrow I'll share a video with you on crypto cars. I'll show you how to get the cars, how to race them, and how you can earn that money. And then I'll do an update on this Fast BNB and see how it's doing in about a week or so. So look, if you've got any comments or questions on today's video, please let me know. I know it's a little bit different to what we're normally talking about in the terms of, affiliate marketing, YouTube, side hustles, printables, and other bits. But, the crypto market is not to be ignored. People are earning some pretty, good money from this. And always just take caution with this. Like I always say, invest what you can afford. Please don't go and get loans and things like that to jump into any of these. Definitely don't do that. So yeah, thanks again. Please like the video if you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.